Hello again. Welcome to, I guess this would be week 2 of our enrichment activities. So I'm switching gears a little bit. We're going to go back to this idea of the American dream so that we can actually read a novel that I'd hoped that we could get to. So hopefully you're able to participate and do some of the enrichment activities, some of the readings, because I do think you will enjoy the novel. Our students last year truly did. But anyway, let's go back to this idea of the American dream. We talked a lot about it before we read Fences, and we talked about whether or not our American dream, what we see as the American dream, is actually attainable or not. So we're going to come back full circle in a way and talk more about it throughout the next few weeks while we continue to participate in these enrichment activities. So I'm also going to do something a little bit differently. This week, I'm going to try to put all of the recordings and the questions in a Microsoft form. So hopefully this works for you. You can watch the little snippets of the PowerPoint, watch any other audio or video snippets that I can find and use, and then also answer the questions in the same place. So hopefully this will work. All right, so the first thing we're going to do, and this is the end or the last slide for this first little video segment. On the form, please go ahead and write your definition. Do a little quick write and define the American dream. It can be the same that you wrote about in the beginning of the school year, or if you are seeing things differently now, because we definitely have a different worldview now that we are experiencing the stay-at-home orders, the coronavirus, we hear, if you watch the news, about the economy. So perhaps your definition of the American dream has changed. Go ahead and take just a couple of minutes and write about your definition. And that's going to be it for this segment. You'll have to scroll down to go to the next little PowerPoint and the next questions.